Hi. Raising money is one of the most critical milestones for any startup. But investors don't just write checks, they need to hear a compelling story about the opportunity, the founder's vision, and the startup's ability to deliver. When founders are ready to tell this story effectively, they can raise money. Let's focus on a key question today that every founder faces: how much should I raise? Startups should raise money when they've figured out three things. One, what the market opportunity is. Two, who their customer is. Three, whether their product meets customer needs and is gaining traction. If these conditions are met, it's the perfect time to approach investors. Founders should ideally raise enough money to reach profitability, ensuring they don't have to rely on future funding. This creates a safety net, especially when funding environments tighten. For startups that require follow on funding, the focus should shift to raising enough to reach the next fundable milestone, typically within 12 to 18 months. Determining how much to raise involves balancing several factors. One is progress. What milestone can the funds help achieve? Second is credibility. Will the amount raised inspire investor confidence? Third, dilution. How much equity should founders give up? While a 10% dilution in a seed round is ideal, most rounds demand 20 to 25%. Founders should avoid exceeding 25% to maintain control and future funding potential. A strong fundraising plan ties the amount raised to clear and achievable goals. Founders should present multiple funding scenarios to show adaptability, a clear strategy for how the funds will be used, and a roadmap detailing the growth achievable with the raised amount. Here is a practical approach. 1. Estimate monthly operating costs. For example, hiring 5 engineers in India at 60,000 rupees per month costs 3 lakh rupees. Multiply by the desired funding period, say 18 months, which amounts to 54 lakh rupees. Factor in costs for additional hires, sales, marketing, operations, and product development. This method allows founders to confidently answer the common investor question: how much are you raising? Founders should present a range such as 12 to 18 months of funding, highlighting different growth scenarios based on the amount raised. Investors will want detailed answers about fund usage. Vague statements like "we'll expand marketing and hire a sales lead" won't suffice. Instead, founders must break it down. How much for each activity? What specific results are expected? This level of detail reflects the founder's vision, strategy, and accountability, inspiring investor confidence. Investors evaluate fund usage based on three criteria. One is clarity. Provide a detailed breakdown. For example, "we'll invest $200,000 in ads with an expected 3x return in 12 months. Second, alignment. Fund usage should match the startup's stage. Seed stage funding proves traction, while Series A funding scales growth. Third is ROI focus. Show how each dollar fuels measurable growth. Non critical expenses like lavish offices or perks are red flags. The financial model is not just numbers, it's a story of vision and opportunity. Every dollar raised should be tied to a return on investment. Investors want to see precise allocation of funds, expected outcomes, and a clear connection between spending and growth. Helping startups navigate fundraising can transform your career. By advising founders on how much to raise, why, and how, you position yourself as an indispensable partner in their success. This skill set is not just in demand in India. You can also work remotely with startups in the US, Canada, Singapore, and other global markets, earning significantly more and building a powerful network. Do you want to learn how to assist startups with fundraising? Are you interested in finding international clients and performing high demand assignments? Join our free live 3-day online bootcamp. This immersive program will teach you everything you need to know about helping startups thrive. Remember, there are no recordings, so save the date and join us live. See you there.